I don't super remember how to do these things, so it might not be good. Just kidding, it's always not good. Hello, I'm a white guy that looks like this. You can give me a follow on social media and stuff, and subscribe to the channel too, I guess. Hello, pals. Man, it's been a long time since I've done one of these things, and I'm kind of excited because this is a really good price range. It is Beater Box Friday. Welcome back. This box is from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com. Basically, it's a box with a bunch of shoes that could be used or new. And you're supposed to flip them and make some money. And also complain in the comments down below. This box was $800 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of 850 buckaroos. Look at that, pointing at the camera, making weird hand motions. That's how YouTubers do their thing. Hey, it's clearance, it's a counter, it's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors like if it has a box or if it smells like weed. Let's open the box and see what's going on in here. I haven't opened a box in over a month, so we'll see. This price range, $800, is right around the sweet spot. Like $700, $750, $775 are always the best boxes for me. So I have pretty high hopes for this box. It's probably gonna be pretty good. I already recognize a couple shoes in here. Yeah, there is one loose pair. This first pair is very recognizable. It is a size US men's 10. US men's 10. This is a Nike Dunk High SB. This is from the box series releases from 2018. This is the purple box. For those of you who don't know, Nike SB had like box eras. So they did a bunch, they did 4 releases that commemorated the box eras. This is for the purple box era, which was like the mid 2000s, which in my opinion isn't one of the greatest box eras, but you'd have to ask someone else. This is obviously very, very influenced by the MF Doom Dunk Highs. You got 3M piping, it's a lot of suede, and there's like ostrich type leather. There's this little box thing right there. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up because my lights aren't too great still, so maybe I'll zoom in, but it's got like a box indentation right there, which is pretty cool. The shoe itself is in great shape. There is no heel drag and 100% stars in the outsole, which is a little bit clear, so still worn, but very lightly worn. You got the insole has like the boxes all over it, which is pretty cool. But there you go. I'm talking about this one a lot because I don't get a lot of SBs, and this is just very cool to see. Size 10, size 10. So if you're a 9.5 is your true size, this is the size you're gonna wanna get. Dunk High SB. Hey, if you wanna buy those shoes, they're gonna be available today on my website at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website by going to sbmitch.com. And all the other shoes too. See, I don't remember how to do these. Some kind of Jordan. We have a size US men's 10.5 Air Jordan 5 Retro. So we got a worn pair that is in very good shape. This is the reverse grape Jordan 5. It's an all suede upper. It's purple-ish. I mean, it's inspired by the grape colorway from 2013 was the most recent retro, unless you count the Fresh Prince ones. But these are in good shape. The suede is not very discolored. It does have these original shoe tree thingies. The insole has a little bit of wear. I don't even know it's gonna pick it up, but whatever. The outsole, good shape, not much drag. A little bit of discoloration from wear, but it doesn't look like they're yellowed from oxidation or anything like that. So 10.5 is a really good size, and Jordan 5s, you wanna go higher. That's where a lot of your money is gonna be in terms of Jordan 5s. There you go, 10.5. Cool, move to 0. Size 10.5 Air Max Pre-Day LX. Well, these sure are something. It's an Air Max Pre-Day LX. Current fashion trends will definitely align with this colorway. It's not great in my opinion, but they're okay. They look like they may have been tried on, or it just might be from the box or something like that, because there's no paper in here. That's like Nike's whole move to 0 thing. So, but there's no wear. No insole wear. It's got the original paper in here. It's got some kind of thing on the left shoe, which is like a tag thing. So if I were to guess, these probably don't have much value, but it's a Deadstock shoe, so it'll be easy to move, so I can't really complain. Size 10.5 is a pretty good size for any kind of Air Max, so not gonna complain about this. There you go, size 10.5, Air Max Pre-Day. Couple Jordan boxes, let's see. What do we got here? Size US Men's 8 Jordan 1 Mid SE, which stands for Special Edition, or I can't think of anything funny. These things. Well, it's a dead stock pair. This is a pair that everyone thought was going to go absolutely crazy in terms of resale value, and it did not. This is the metallic gold Air Jordan 1 Mid. These are very reminiscent of the Kawhi Leonard Claw 1s or whatever that are like silver and just kind of weird looking. It's still a mid. The quality is a little bit better than mids would have been, you know, a couple years ago. So it's the wild looking colorway. Size 8, not a, it is an okay size. It's dead stock though, so I can't really complain. There you go, size 8. Jordan 1 Mid, metallic gold. I'm liking the dead stock shoes in here. Another one. It's a Jordan 1 Mid SE in a size 9.5. Looks like it's the same colorway. Sure is. We got another one. It's a size 9.5. It's dead stock. That's really all I'm gonna say about it. So this stuff can show up on the screen. There you go. Size 9.5, dead stock pair. Okay size. Jordan 1 Mid, metallic gold. It happens quite often when you get two pairs of the same shoe. It's usually like bulk buyers that just don't like to hold on to things. So what is this? Looks like a Sakai, I think, based on the box. Size 10.5 Nike Blazer Low Sakai collaboration. Another dead stock pair. This is the British Tan Blazer Low. I've actually never seen these in person. Too much brown for me, but this is actually kind of a cool shoe. I do like the concept of Sakais. I just don't think I'd ever wear them because they're a little too high fashion for me. And I look like I do, so what makes you think I would have any kind of fashion sense? But they're dead stock. I mean, it's just a wild colorway. Friend of the channel, Juan Wilson, has a pair of these and he absolutely rocks them the way they're supposed to be rocked. So this is a pretty good size too, 10.5. Can't really complain, dead stock pair. Sakai Blazers in the British Tan colorway. This I recognize because of the sticker on it. We got a Clot Air Max. This is a Nike Air Max 1 Clot collaboration. This is size US Men's 10.5. So these are dead stock too, but it's the ones that have the see-through vamp, which is just super weird to me. I mean, that's gonna yellow in a couple years and it'll just look super weird. This colorway is just kind of goofy. I'm not a fan of it, but I understand why people dig it. This pair was bought on StockX, so that's interesting. But yeah, I mean, it's dead stock, not a colorway I like, but Air Maxes are cool and super comfortable. I love Air Maxes. I have two in my personal collection. And if you dig these, I kind of get it, because these are a little cool, just something I wouldn't wear. They're dead stock. It's a size 10.5, which is a good size for trainers, so can't complain. There you go. Clot Air Max 1 in a size 10.5, dead stock pair. It's a lot of dead stock shoes in this box. We do have one more. It is an older Jordan, which is what I like to close videos out with. We got an Air Jordan 6 Retro in a size US Men's 10. It does come with the original receipt, which is cool because this is a 2009-2010 release, so this is a 12-year-old receipt if you think about it. This is a worn pair, definitely in good shape. These are the Varsity Red looking suede 6s that are actually a really great colorway. They're just a little bit different from the infrareds. They're color blocked the same way, but I just really like the material. It does have lace locks. It does have inserts. There is a full Jumpman on the insole, which I doubt will even be picked up because of my light situation and also the glare from my glasses. But yeah, look at the outsole. Just a little bit of discoloration. Just needs to be cleaned up. It's going to be yellowed. I mean, it's over a 10-year-old shoe. But for an over 10-year-old shoe, this is actually in really good shape. The suede seems to be all right. There doesn't seem to be much scuffing. I mean, it's going to be on the problem areas like the heel, maybe on the lateral side, on the heel too. No. So it looks like just on the medial side, on the heel, and somewhere else I'll have to look. There might be a retro card in here too. Nope, there is not, which I'm not surprised at, but a good shoe, and it's a size 10. Not a bad shoe. This is a classic colorway too. It's just a little bit different than an OG colorway. Can't really complain. Varsity Red Air Jordan 6 is your last shoe out of this $800 Sole Supremacy Beater Box, which I think is extremely good. Let's see what the numbers say right now. A lot of dead stock shoes, and the shoes that are worn are in really great shape, and I think this box is going to be super easy to move. I think the value is really there because these are all good sizes too. So the little report card thing that pops up over here pops up over here in this general area, probably had good things to say. So that's what we want to see in this kind of beater box. If you want to buy any of these, they're going to be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Before that happens, all the worn pairs are going to be cleaned and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products, and you can save 10% on your Resjuvenator order by using my code SBMitch10 at checkout, because saving money rules. It'll save you 10% off the entire order. They do free shipping too. There's like a $1 handling charge, but free shipping within the United States, which is pretty cool. So definitely check it out, Resjuvenator.com. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hope this video was tolerable. It was definitely tolerable for me. And then I think this is where the video ends. So I say something like, have a good one or whatever. I'm just kidding. Take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun. See you later. Bye.